Alright, so it is nighttime, and today is the 5th, unless it's midnight. No, it's not midnight yet, so still the 5th, tomorrow will be the 6th. This video will probably be uploaded, so I'm not sure yet. Anyway, so now that we know what day it is, meet my new student.
What's up? Big country here.
I was just about to say, his name is Big Country, and damn, he can sing too. So, first few days on the truck, out of school, what do you think?
Apologize, this rap's really good. Walmart. So the difference with school, I went to the Phoenix Academy, so the Phoenix Academy is really good for teaching you kind of to get used to the trucking aspect of it. You know, you're looking left and right, intersections, in town driving, being safe, looking around. But I've noticed since I got on Stephan's truck that the way he teaches is better than school because it's real world. And it's not that school wasn't good, but it's hard to unlearn it. But ever since I've been on this truck, it's been like things just been a lot easier.
Yeah, school does not teach you anything that's going to be really useful in the real world other than to get your license.
Not at all.
That's it.
Pretty much.
Alright, so you're out of school, you got into the truck. Is it what you expected, or did you expect something different?
No, it's better. I mean, I came in kind of, seeing some of your other students talk on YouTube and stuff, but it was a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. Like, I was excited to go in the trucking. It's especially being prior military, used to the whole going around and traveling and all that stuff. But no, it's I've had a lot more fun than I actually expected to.
Yeah. I thought that was a good thing. Trucking definitely has ups and downs, and generally mountain passes. So driving day to night, night or day, with this being your 4th real day.
Yeah.
What do you prefer so far?
I like them both, but I noticed after a certain point of driving at night, after you get on those country roads and it's just going, you can kind of start to see yourself getting tired.
Oh yeah.
And you got to really watch it, because when you're driving a personal car, it's a lot easier sometimes to stay awake because there's less to focus on. You're just looking in front of yourself, jamming to your music, smoking your cigarette, dipping your dipsons, whatever you want to do, talking on your Bluetooth to somebody keeping you awake. But as a trucker, you're constantly having to look to see what's going to go out ahead of you, especially when it's dark. Your field of vision's cut in half. So even with the brights on, some deer comes out in front of you, some person comes out in front of you, you got a detour. Trying to look in your mirrors is harder because you can't see the lines. So
four-wheelers definitely are fun.
Yeah, so I don't know. I like driving at day because I can see stuff, kind of like going through a new town and seeing it. But I also kind of like night too because there's less traffic and less people.
That sunset that we saw was
Oh my God,
killer.
that was beautiful.
Yeah, dude. So I got a picture of a sunset, or video. I got some video footage of it. It's going to be at the end of this. So you gotta stay tuned and watch that. It's yeah. And if you're following my Facebook, stephan.harz YT, you have already seen a few glimpses of that footage. So there's a good reason to join up for my Facebook. Plus, just getting some random updates here and there. So, you did say that you were in the military.
Yeah.
You want to share a little bit about that, or you want to share that later?
For sure, no problem.
All right. I know there's a lot of people that watch my channel and, might have military experience and have looked at trucking.
Okay. So, let's see. On my YouTube channel, I talked about it a couple times too, because there's some people who ask me questions about military stuff and pertaining to picking jobs. So, I was in the Marines for 3 years, and so I was used to a very wide array of schedules, sleeping, work, all that stuff. But going into trucking from military is going to be really easy, honestly. They train you to be very detail oriented and have a defensive mechanism when you're doing things. You're constantly looking around, you know, because when you're at war, you're always looking to your side, behind you, your field of view. Truckie's the same thing.
Yep.
It's just bringing what that military taught you with, you know, discipline.
Hopefully with less guns.
Less guns.
Now, I am going to have a video talking about mass shooters and shooting things. Unfortunately, that is a topic. You know, I do work out Walmart. It has happened. Thankfully, not out of Walmart I've gone to. But not just that. There's been shootings that actually occurred at truck stops and other places. It's, you know, it's really sad that there's people out there that, you know, want to go out and try to hurt people. So I'm actually going to have a video kind of talking about that, what my game plan is, and yeah, just kind of sharing a little bit about that. And Swift also has a active shooter training thing that they want you guys to do, and you know, different aspects of it. So
Yeah. But yeah, I don't see anybody coming in to trucking having a problem if they're paramilitary.
yeah, the lifestyle.
And you want this guy as your mentor. So if you're looking for a mentor with Swift, pick Stephan. He'll teach you how to drive a friggin' truck and switch you out of that school routine and get you ready for the road. So
I try. Anyway, we're on a 30-minute break, so he's gonna finish chilling out for a little bit, and then we're gonna roll out. So, as Bush's Bean says, roll that beautiful bean footage, and make sure you watch that footage at the end of this video. Please take a second, comment, like, rate, and subscribe to my channel. And hope you guys enjoy the content. So, see you guys on the next one.